you all. I will remember this day forever. And thank you for coming. Cheers to the new year and spending it with the people that we love so much.
Oh, now it's time to eat and drink. Help yourselves to anything. It's very informal. No. Picture. No, they don't.
Yeah, daddy, mommy first. This side. Yeah, this side, daddy, mommy.
You want me to cook? You want me to clean up the
I know she can't drink.
That's not fair.
Where's two winners first?
Oh, two winners.
Yeah, winners, two winners. That's right, everybody.
Got two witnesses. To the new couple, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
To a long life of happiness.
Hold on, we gotta get
Good speaker. My wife asked
Yeah.